Have you ever wondered if someone is in love with you? Wonder no more, because today we'll be discussing the signs a person is in love with you. The first sign is when they prioritize you above everything else. They put in effort to show their affection by planning dates and giving thoughtful gifts. They also try to make you happy by doing things you love. They want to spend every second with you. They'll cancel plans to spend time with you or even join you in mundane activities. They're keen to know everything about you. They'll ask questions and listen attentively to your answers. They'll remember the little things you say and bring them up in future conversations. Holding your hand, cuddling, or even just being in close proximity shows that they feel comfortable and safe around you. They worry about your safety and go out of their way to make sure you're okay. They encourage you to achieve your goals and help you through challenges. They open up about their fears and struggles without fear of judgment. They go out of their way to make you feel special. They surprise you with little gestures or compliments to brighten your day. And they can't get enough of you. They constantly talk or think about you, even when you're not together. Finding someone who loves you for who you are is one of the beautiful feelings in the world. Love the one who loves you, not the other way around. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos and shorts like this.